Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will extend the form class from shift request forms. Then we will create a Horilla form view. Then we'll map that view into our create action. So let's jump into our VS Code. Then first from import the form view from shift request form view. Import shift request form. Okay. For now, I just imported this form. Here's the shift request form. Then let's create a also import the Horilla form view from the generic CBVs. Horilla form view. Okay. The shift request form is a regular form, regular Django form. I just created. Then inside the calls is used by the Horilla form view. Is for arranging the columns, form columns, cells. Now let's create a child for our shift request form. Class class, let's provide name as yeah, request form shift. Then here to the Horilla form view, let's provide the doc string as the name for now. Let's change the name shift request form. Okay, now then the model will be shift request. Then the form class will be shift request form. Also check the Horilla form view. Is there check for anything other is required. Can provide the view ID, confirm class, template name, ID key. Yeah, let's provide the form display editor. Like shift. If no instance is available, it will display this name as name it inside the form title, the modal title. Shift request form. Then okay, wrong attr. This is the actual one. Okay, then okay, we can provide an additional cross button attrs or also the submit button attrs if it's required. Okay, then okay, let's map it with the URL. Custom app. Then let's create a URL. Custom shift request create. Then shift request form view as view, and then name will be custom shift request create. Okay, now I mapped the view into a URL. Okay, now let's use this URL inside our HorillaNavBar create button. So let's search create attrs. So instead of the old form, we will gonna use the newly created create form view. Okay, let's restart the service. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, we got some errors. Okay, maybe we have to provide it's already inside the I'm sorry, the URL name is different. This is the actual URL name. Instead of the URL name, I just provide the path over there. Now let's restart the service again. Refresh. Okay, when I click on the create, so here you can see the form is using our newly created shift request form. So I hope you understood this video. In the next video, we will see the how to handle the submission. So if you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.